There's a $5 part destroying brand new Subarus right off the lot. Not old Subarus with 150,000 miles. Brand new 2024 and 2025 models with under 20,000 miles. This $5 part is causing catastrophic engine damage, complete transmission failures, and electrical system destruction. And Subaru knows about it. They've known for years. But they're not issuing recalls. They're not warning customers. They're not even telling dealers to check this part during pre-delivery inspections. Why? Because acknowledging the problem would cost them millions in warranty claims and potential lawsuits. Instead, they wait until your Subaru fails. Then they diagnose it as normal wear or customer neglect and try to deny warranty coverage. This part is failing on Foresters, Outbacks, Crosstreks, WRXs, Ascents, every model in the current lineup. Some fail at 5,000 miles, some at 15,000 miles. Very few make it past 30,000 miles without issues. And when this part fails, the damage is catastrophic and expensive. We're talking $3,000 to $8,000 in repairs on vehicles that are practically brand new. Today, I'm exposing exactly what this $5 part is, why it's failing on new Subarus, what damage it causes, how to tell if yours has failed, and how to replace it before it destroys your engine. If you own a 2020 or newer Subaru, you need to watch this entire video. Let's get into it. The $5 part, the PCV valve. Here it is, the $5 part that's destroying brand new Subarus. The PCV valve. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. This tiny valve removes blow-by gases from your engine's crankcase and routes them back into the intake to be burned. It costs $5 to $15 depending on the model, and it's failing catastrophically on 2020 plus Subarus. What happens when the PCV valve fails? When the PCV valve fails, catastrophic things happen. If stuck closed, crankcase pressure builds up. Oil is forced past seals and gaskets. Oil leaks develop everywhere. Pressure can blow out the dipstick. If stuck open, excessive vacuum pulls oil vapor into the intake. Massive carbon buildup on intake valves. Oil consumption increases dramatically. Engine runs rough. Misfires develop. If clogged, multiple oil leaks develop, eventually causes seal gasket failure. In all cases, the result is expensive damage that happens quickly. Why modern Subaru? PCV valves are failing. Design. Flaw. The separator plate. Subaru redesigned the PCV system using a separator plate integrated into the valve cover with tiny passages. Problem. These passages clog rapidly with oil residue and carbon. Modern direct injection engines produce more oil vapor than older engines. Once clogged, the PCV system can't regulate pressure properly. Poor material quality. The diaphragm degrades rapidly when exposed to high heat cycles, synthetic oil vapors, and ethanol fuel vapors. Subaru switched to a cheaper composite material around 2019 to 2020 to cut costs. The new material saves Subaru approximately $2 per vehicle, while creating thousands in repair costs for owners. The old rubber material in pre-2020 models often lasted past 100,000 miles. But Subaru chose profits over reliability, and current owners are paying the price. This cost-cutting measure was implemented across the entire product line, affecting every new model from the affordable Impreza to the premium Ascent. Inadequate service intervals. Subaru's maintenance schedule doesn't include PCV inspection until 60,000 plus miles. But on 2020 plus models, the system is failing by 15,000 to 30,000 miles. By the scheduled inspection, catastrophic damage has already occurred. The schedule was designed for older, more robust systems, not the current cheap redesign. Direct injection amplification. Modern Subarus use direct injection. Fuel doesn't wash over intake valves. Any oil vapor in the intake manifold bakes onto the valves. A failed PCV valve causes severe carbon buildup in just 10,000 to 20,000 miles. Carbon cleaning costs $600 to $1,200. If not caught early, valve damage requires cylinder head rebuild at $3,000 to $5,000. The affected models. Highest failure rate, 2020 to 2025. Outback 2.4-liter turbo, 2022 to 2025. WRX 2019 to 2025. Ascent 2020 to 2025. Legacy 2.4-liter turbo, 2024 to 2025. Crosstreks 2.5-liter. Moderate failure rate, 2020 to 2025. Forester 2.5-liter, 2020 to 2025. Outback 2.5-liter, non-turbo, 2018 to 2025. Crosstreks 2.0-liter. Lower, but still concerning, 2020 to 2025. Impreza 2022 to 2024. BRZ. Turbocharged models fail fastest because higher boost pressure produces more blow-by gases. The added stress on the PCV system from forced induction accelerates clogging and material degradation. The symptoms. How to tell if yours has failed. Oil leaks. Multiple oil leaks appearing simultaneously. Valve cover gasket, front crank seal, rear main seal, around dipstick tube. On a car with under 30,000 miles, this is excessive crankcase pressure from PCV failure, not normal wear. Oil. In the intake, remove the intake tube and inspect inside. Oily residue or puddles indicate PCV failure. On a healthy engine, the intake should be clean and dry. Any significant oil presence means the PCV is malfunctioning. Rough idle engine. Idles rough or fluctuates between 600 to 900 revolutions per minute from vacuum leaks or carbon buildup. Check engine light common codes. P0171/P0174, System 2 lean, vacuum leak, P03, 00 to P0304. Misfire codes, carbon buildup, P0507, idle air control, vacuum leak. Excessive oil consumption. Burning more than 1 quart per 3,000 miles on a brand new Subaru. Whistling or hissing noise. Whistling sound from the engine bay indicates vacuum leak or excessive pressure. Dipstick popping out. The dipstick works its way out. Severe crankcase pressure. Before we continue, the PCV valve is just one of many critical failure points on modern Subarus that dealers don't proactively check. I've documented all of them and the exact inspection schedule to catch them early in the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's designed to help you avoid expensive failures by catching problems before they become catastrophic. Link in the description. How to check your PCV valve. Visual inspection, 5 minutes. Check for oil residue around the valve cover, oil in the intake tube, or loose PCV hoses. Vacuum test, 10 minutes. Start the engine, remove the oil filler cap, place your hand over the opening. Slight suction is normal. Strong vacuum means stuck open. Pressure pushing out means stuck closed or clogged. Hose inspection, 15 minutes. Remove PCV hoses and inspect. They should be clean inside, not coated with oil sludge or carbon. The damage this causes. Short term, 0 to 10,000 miles after failure. Oil leaks develop, oil consumption increases, rough idle begins. Repair costs, $500 to $1,500. Replace PCV valve/separator, $200 to $500. Fix oil leaks, $300 to $1,000 medium term, 10,000 to 30,000 miles. Severe carbon buildup, multiple seal failures, misfires, performance loss. Repair costs, $1,500 to $4,000. Carbon cleaning service, $600 to $1,200. Multiple gasket replacements, $500 to $1,500. PCV system replacement, $400 to $700. Long-term, 30,000 plus miles. Catalytic converter damage, turbocharger failure, potential engine failure. Repair costs, $3,000 to $8,000. Catalytic converter replacement, $1,200 to $2,000 turbocharger replacement, $2,500 to $3,500 major engine work, $2,000 to $5,000, all because of a $5 to $15 part that Subaru refuses to proactively replace. Why Subaru won't issue a recall. Cost millions of 2020 plus Subarus on the road. At $50 per vehicle, that's $50 to $100 million. Subaru would rather deny individual warranty claims. Liability. Issuing a recall admits the part is defective, opening Subaru to class action lawsuits from owners who already paid for repairs. Warranty denials. By not acknowledging the problem, Subaru can claim improper maintenance or normal wear and tear and deny coverage on nearly new vehicles. Plausible deniability. Without an official recall, dealers can claim they've never seen this problem and treat each case as isolated. The TSB that Subaru won't publicize. Subaru has issued internal technical service bulletins about PCV issues. TSB 1115719R 2019 Ascent PCV valve separator concerns TSB 1518220R 2020 Outback or Legacy. Oil consumption related to PCV TSB 112112-1R 2022 WRX PCV system inspection procedures. These TSBs are not publicized to customers, only sent to dealerships and carefully worded to avoid admission of defect. They acknowledge the problem, but frame it as normal service rather than a manufacturing defect. How to replace the PCV valve before it fails. If you have a 2020 plus Subaru with under 30,000 miles, option 1, preventive replacement recommended. At 15,000 to 20,000 miles, proactively replace the PCV valve and separator plate. DIY, $30 to $80 in parts, 1 to 2 hours shop, $200 to $400 total. This prevents the failure and all associated damage. Option 2, enhanced inspection. Every 10,000 miles, check oil filler cap for pressure/vacuum. Inspect PCV hoses for oil residue. Monitor oil consumption closely. Watch for check engine lights. Catch the failure early and replace immediately before major damage occurs. Option 3, upgrade solution. Aftermarket companies like IAG Performance and Grimspeed make upgraded PCV systems with better materials and larger passages. Cost $100 to $300. Installation, DIY or $200 to $400 at a shop. These systems last significantly longer and resist clogging. They use aerospace-grade materials and improved engineering that addresses the design flaws Subaru refuses to fix. What to do if yours has already failed? Step 1. Get it diagnosed properly. Insist they check the PCV system thoroughly. Ask about TSB inspection procedures for your specific model. Step 2. Document everything. Take photos of oil leaks. Save all service records. Document oil consumption rates. This is critical evidence for warranty coverage fights. Step 3. Push for warranty coverage. If under warranty, 3 years/36,000 miles, Subaru should cover this. Don't accept normal wear and tear on a 15,000-mile car. Escalate to Service Manager, then Subaru of America. Reference the internal TSBs if the dealer claims ignorance. Step 4. Get the full repair. Don't just replace the PCV valve. Also get all leaked oil cleaned up, leaking seals and gaskets replaced. Intake system inspected and cleaned. Carbon cleaning if needed. A half repair means ongoing problems. Step 5. Monitor after repair. Check oil level every 1,000 miles. Watch for return of symptoms. Inspect monthly for new oil leaks. If problems return quickly, the repair wasn't done correctly or there's underlying damage. The real cost, brand new Subaru destroyed. Real example, 2023 Ascent with 18,000 miles. Owner noticed oil spots. Dealer diagnosed. Valve cover gasket leak. Rear main seal leak. Front crank seal leak. Quote, $2,800 to replace all leaking gaskets. I inspected the vehicle. The PCV separator plate was completely clogged. Crankcase pressure was forcing oil past every seal. The real fix, $450 for PCV system replacement. The dealer wanted $2,800 to replace gaskets that would leak again in 5,000 miles because the root cause, the failed PCV valve, wasn't addressed. This happens to brand new Subarus every single day across the country. Dealers either don't know to check the PCV, or they deliberately ignore it to generate repeat business from ongoing oil leaks. The bottom line: a $5 PCV valve is destroying brand new Subarus, and Subaru knows about it. The part fails on 2020 plus models at 15,000 to 30,000 miles. The damage: multiple oil leaks, severe carbon buildup, oil consumption, potential engine failure, $3,000 to $8,000 in repairs. Why Subaru won't recall it would cost $50 to $100 million. Admission of defect equals liability, can deny individual warranty claims. What you must do: proactively replace at 15,000 to 20,000 miles, $200 to $400. Inspect every 10,000 miles. Watch for symptoms: oil leaks, rough idle, consumption. Push for warranty coverage if it failed. Don't accept normal wear on low-mileage vehicles. Don't let a $5 part destroy your $35,000 Subaru. Replace it before it fails. Inspect it regularly. Hold Subaru accountable for warranty coverage. And if you want to make sure you're catching all the other hidden failures that Subaru won't tell you about, not just the PCV valve, but all the critical checkpoints that prevent expensive damage, check out the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint in the description. It's the complete maintenance strategy that keeps your Subaru running strong while avoiding the costly failures that dealers profit from. If you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.